Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. So today I am going to derive algebraic identities, which is very important for especially in class 8 to class 10. So that is a cube minus b cube is always equal to the product of a minus b and a square plus ab plus b square. So basically this type of derivations we are not going to derive in the classroom. So we ask the students to memorize the algebraic identities. So today I got an opportunity to derive the formulas for the benefit of the students. So without any further delay, we are going to start to derive this formula, or you can say algebraic identities. So this is nothing by my right hand side, this is the left hand side. So in order to derive this for algebraic identity, I'll start from my right hand side. My right hand side is given, that is product of a minus b and a square plus ab plus b square. Now here I am going to use the distribution property, that is a multiply with the whole thing and then minus b multiply with the same thing. So this property is known as the distribution property. So a multiply by a square plus ab plus b square, again minus b multiply with a square plus ab plus b square, right? Again I am going to apply the distribution property, that is a into a square, that will give me a cube, right? Plus a into ab, so that will be a square b plus a into b square, that is a b square. Now here we have to multiply with a minus b, keep it in mind. That is plus minus minus, sign always going to be changed because we are multiplying with a minus b. So minus b a square, that will give me a square b, multiply the sign, plus minus minus b into ab, so ab square, right? Now here plus minus again minus b into b square, that will give me b cube. Now check a square b plus a square b, that is minus a square b. They are like term but they're having opposite sign, so they are cancelled with each other. Now check here again, this plus ab square, this is minus ab square. They are also like term but opposite sign, though they are also cancelled with each other. So what is left? That is a cube minus b cube, that is nothing but my left hand side, a cube minus b cube, left hand side. So therefore we can write a cube minus b cube always gives product of a minus b and a square plus ab plus b square. Hence proved. I hoped you like it. If you like my video, please share, subscribe in order to grow my channel, and thank you for watching.